की रज़ा से ये धरती हरदम यूं ही आजाद रहे.
The Pakistani role, especially.
Very good. We love Pakistan. Thank you.
यहाँ दिल शाद रहे. गूंजेगी सदा हर कौन मकाम बेदार ज़माना बोलेगा. हर कूच चौकरिया में हर सू ये नारा बस आबाद रहे. पाकिस्तान हमेशा जिंदाबाद रहे. पाकिस्तान हमेशा जिंदाबाद रहे.
मिट्टी से जो हमने अहद किया, मिट्टी से जो हमने अहद किया, वो अहद हमेशा याद रहे.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great day. A day which is going to promote peace and prosperity.
I've probably talked to Field Marshal Munir more than I've talked to anybody else over the last 3 months. We would not be here without his statesmanship. He is, of course, a great military leader, but I think he's shown himself to be a great diplomat.
And I must, at this point in time, with the fullest sincerity of my being, thank President Donald Trump for his visionary and very dynamic leadership, which has resulted in this meeting here today in this wonderful, beautiful city of Birkenstock. And of course, Field Marshal Sri Asim Munir, his outstanding role, very consistent, and he showed huge amount of perseverance.
ये जान तो आनी जानी है, ये जान तो आनी जानी है, ये धरती हर पल शाद रहे.